What idiot fired that?
Nate?
McMasters?
I've been looking for you, Nate. Passed through Butte. Felt sure you'd be in the saloon.
I kind of figured that.
Just gonna buy you a drink.
I'm sorry I missed that.
That's why I brought it with me. Top shelf. What's the matter, Nate? Don't you like top shelf?
Thought you were down near Medicine Bow.
Heard you were too.
I was. Off the back.
That's what I heard.
How about we go down to the saloon? I'll buy you that drink.
Nate Mason, I'm arresting you on 3 counts of murder. Bank president, bank guard in Casper, Deputy Bill Clark in Laramie. I'm also arresting you for the robbery of those banks.
Damn, Marshal. Done a hell of a lot more than that.
Those are the ones I've got paper on. Don't do it.
Jesse, your long run is over. Now reach for the sky, turn around slowly, and don't make any sudden moves. Jesse James, I'm arresting you all charges against you. Most recently, the stagecoach at Hot Springs. But now it's over. You made the mistake of coming to Claremont and crossing paths with the great Britt MacMasters.
Criminy, Albert. I told you, use your own name, not my pa's.
But your pa is famous.
Not to me, he ain't. And I can't look at you the same with you saying you're him.
What the hell does that mean?
It means what I'm saying.
You never want to be the Marshal, and now it sounds like you don't want to be the outlaw either.
It means what I'm saying.
It is, Chad. If you want to be the Marshal, then be the Marshal. I don't care.
I told you I don't want to be Marshal McMasters. Why in the hell would I want to be him? You could be Marshal Hanson or something.
Hey, boys, get in here. Food's getting cold.
Yes, Grandpa.
Looks like you escaped to find another day, Jesse.
Come on, hurry up. You go any slower, you're gonna have to eat with the pigs. Well, so the only way we could get anywhere near that cabin was to climb Lookout Mountain. Don't forget now, that's a 4,000-foot fall. I blew in through that door, and your daddy, he's got a rifle through the window, and we got him dead to rights.
Did they surrender?
Well, when they found out it was the McMasters brothers, they just gave up the ghost.
Wait. Pa told me when he kicked in the door, one of the gangs shot him, so he blasted 3 of them that couldn't even come.
Well, that may have been another cabin. We were hitting a lot of cabins in those days.
Be right back. The privy calls.
His pa's over in Sheridan trying to get a bank loan to be back in a couple of days. And your pa, he's out there doing what he does for a living, you know. If you had a choice, he'd be home here with you.
I ain't seen him in nearly 3 months, Grandpa.
Well, now, that don't mean he don't like you. He loves you, boy. That's why he's out there.
Sure has a funny way of showing it.
Now, you listen to what you just said. Show me a little gratitude.
Gratitude for leaving me alone?
He's out there providing.
6 riders coming, over the ridge. Who are they?
No good by the looks of them.
Hold up there. Evening.
Yep.
Me and my boys been riding all day. We are mighty thirsty.
You got a lot of water right in front of you.
Looks a bit dirty. You mind putting that rifle down, mister? Them things is dangerous, don't you know? We don't want no dead geezer on the front porch. Do we?
What you looking for?
We're looking for someone.
Who's asking?
An old friend. Ain't this the ranch of Marshal Britt MacMasters? I'd like to see him.
Well, he's not us. He ain't here.
You wouldn't mind if me and my friends here had a look inside, would you?
You're not coming in this house.
Jack? Grandpa, wake up!
Get up there. I'm all right.
McMasters!
Grandpa!
Marshal McMasters! Search the house. Silas, middle. Willie. Late.
Pa in here, and if he was, he'd be dead by now.
McMasters is your daddy boy? Ain't that a kick of the mule?
He ain't here, ain't that the luck?
We'll make McMasters come to us. Where's your paw, boy?
I don't know.
How long you been gone?
So long. Albert, run!
Albert, you stay put. You a McMasters too?
No, sir.
Good. He's dying, kid. You're coming with us.